This is actually something I've never seen before. Let's hope it's a 5500. Indeed it is. My very first one. This is at Burlington on the Strip in Vegas. Someone also talks.
Elevator is going up.
That is slow.
Floor 1. Elevator is going down.
One more time, and that's it. Look at the cab view. The motor starts as the door is closing. Is your indicator?
Basement. Elevator is going up.
Hold on, let's see if the chime will ring. Nope. Hey, geez, I almost hit the phone. There are your fixtures. It's cool.
Floor 1.
3,500 pound capacity. That's a cool little experience. That was my very first 5,500. And there it is. There it goes. Here you have it in Spanish too. And that's it.